Okay, this is Timothy McCammon, and he really did it with no cheating, no nothing. Alright, buddy, here's your chance. Say it loud and proud.
Yahtzee!
Who's the king of Yahtzee?
Me.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Show everybody on the camera what you got. Come on down here.
Got the fours. You're getting fours.
Ooh, look at that Yahtzee. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Logic, you still on?
Yay!
Yay! I got a Yahtzee.
Logic.
I got a Yahtzee.
Oh,
I got a Yahtzee.
you want to phone?
Ooh.
Good for you, Timothy. I'm so proud.
I got 50 points and I'm beating Mama now.
Alright, and you beat me in trouble.
And I beat her in trouble.
You are something. I'm so proud of you. That's the first Yahtzee ever in this house, and we play Yahtzee religiously. And that's the first Yahtzee.
By a third grader.
By a third grader. Sweet!
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Love you.
Love you.
Alright, sing the happy song.
La 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 la. Huh?
La 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 la.
La 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 la
Alright, sing something else. Sing like a song that you like to hear on the radio.
Somebody call 911. Shorty's
Stop
on
bouncing.
fire on the dance floor. Whoa, we got to cool her down.
You gotta dance while you do it.
On the dance floor. Whoa, fire burning on the dance floor. Fire burning on the dance floor. I forgot the rest.
Alright, let's get back to our game. You ready?
Yeah.
Since you're winning now?
Yeah.
Okay. Say peace to the family.